Takes a while. Oh wow, that takes a while. Wow, that took a while. I don't even see it. Yeah, I think I see it now. Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to share something which I fixed today. About a month ago, I did a live streaming of one of my flights using DJI FPV goggles USB out. And when I did that, when I did it previously, it was actually lagging. It was like freezing. And I found out that I was using WMAX packet size, and it has a default value of 512 bytes. And the data that we actually received from the DJI FPV goggles is not just 512. And then I brought it up to the libUSB community, and they told me to modify my code. Instead of like 500 bytes here, I had 500 bytes here before. Let me make it bigger. There you go. So they said if I was using a small value, what happens is usually it's gonna do a lot of requests, making it lag. So what I had to do is similar to what he wrote. His code was different. He wasn't using this kind of initialization. I was using array, and he's using integer. So I had to initialize an array, which is data array, to 65,536. And when I did it this morning, it actually started working. And I didn't see any lag anymore. Yeah, so that's really good. Let us switch it back before. And then this window, I don't know if you can see it. This is my Docker container running RTSP. Okay, it's a UDP service and allows me to check whether I'm actually receiving data from the goggles. So this is just a server, and at the same time it will broadcast whatever RTSP connects to it. So the code I wrote, yeah, this one is going to pipe out data from the goggles to standard out. When you say Unix standard out, it's just we're just basically talking about the terminal screen. Yeah, right, like this. Okay. When I run that command, the file name is vid.py right there. And then when I run it, you'll see tons of garbage on the screen. It means it's the data coming from the goggles, which is being fed by the how do you call this? By the FPV goggles. Sorry, by the Cadex Vista camera on the drone. Okay. So now let me power up my quads, my how do you call this? My Jumper T16, as well as my DJI goggles, so that we can fly outside, and then we will see a live flight. Okay. And then also back in like a month ago, I only had like a 2 feet long USB-C cable. So I bought another one. This is better. I think this is like maybe 6 feet long. It's better now. So I can stay right here. I don't have to look down and get closer to my machine. So I can fly better this time, I guess. All right, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna hook up all the quads, and then Gonna turn this on. This is my jumper, my trusty jumper T16.
Switch warning.
Okay. Okay, it's set to Apex. I named the models based on the frame. Okay, it's Apex. And then the next thing I'll do is I'm gonna hook up the goggles. I'm gonna power it up. Okay, it's powered, alright. It's powered now. And then next is the quad. Yeah, this thing, this quadcopter, alright. And then I'm gonna go outside. But before we go outside, I'm gonna play MPV so we can see if the Docker container is able to how do you call this? Republish or rebroadcast the traffic, the data from the goggles. Okay, there you go. What's this thing? Okay, guys, done. Now, and then I'm gonna be working on maybe an Arduino, no, not Arduino, maybe a Raspberry Pi or Odroid, where you can just download an image and then burn the image into the Arduino, and then you can fire it up and you can have your own broadcasting software to YouTube. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now it is hooked up. Let us see if I can see it from the goggles. Let's check. Yeah, I can see. And then, okay, good. All right. And then next would be to connect. Oh, connect the USB cable first. Yeah, this, we need to connect it. I'm hooking it up to the USB out. And then the next thing I need to do is to run the Python code, okay? So I'm gonna look for that shell terminal. Maybe this is it. Nope. Nope. Where the hell are you? Where are you? Where are you? Here you go. Okay. It's gonna run. So now we can see packets, right? And then we can verify from here. Yeah, we can see it, right? Alright, so also being broadcasted by OBS. Let's see. Nope, it's not. Media source. I don't know why it's not doing it this way. Oh, media source is for connecting to YouTube. I was wrong. So we need to play this again. Okay. There you go. Let's make it wider. Alright, guys. So let's see. I'm gonna move it. Perfect. Alright, before it gets hot, guys, I'm gonna go out now and then we'll fly. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm ready. I am ready. Okay. Alright, let's see the cable. Oops, the battery before it gets. Yeah, hold on. What's this thing? Huh? Why is it so tight? What is this? Oh, okay. Alright. What is this? Okay, I'm not used to fly from this chair. Okay, it's up. Nice. We're on channel 3, and I'll show you some of the things I've been working on the yard. I've been cutting down branches. Yeah, right there. Okay. Yeah, I've been working on it. Yeah, guys, so it's nice. I like it. Oh, there's a storm last night. Oops, there's cars. Normally there's no cars here. Yeah. And then I made some gaps here because I cut a lot of branches, right? Yeah, right here. Whoa, this is so cool. I hope I don't crash. Pretty cool, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty cool, guys. So yeah, I just hope it's not laggy. I haven't tested it. Um, I haven't tested it using YouTube. All right. Hey, this is so smooth. Yeah. I hope I don't. Woo! 22 volts. Yeah, when you fly a lot on spots, you just get used to it. And if you fly at a spot first time, there's a chance you will crash. So that's normal. So that's how you become great at some. You become great at flying in spots because you fly at that spot a lot. So then don't expect some people, oh, they're really great. I mean, because they've memorized, their muscle memory is already like very used to the location. Just like here, when I first tried it, I was crashing a lot. But now, see, I can go anywhere because I've flown a lot here. This is my property. Yeah, so that's how it is, guys. So I would highly recommend at least buy at least 6 packs of battery. Previously in 2019, I only had 2 packs, and it was horrible. Um, after flying, then I'd go home, and then the place where I fly is actually, I need to drive. Yeah, like this. See, that's all you do, guys. Just keep on flying on spots that you love most, and then you'll get used to that spot that you can fly even with your eyes closed. Yeah, guys. And also some tips: don't fly really high. It it looks cooler when you're flying really low, especially when you're fast. Yeah, like this. Woo. Yeah. I'm gonna go out. It's already almost 6. Um I need to work on these branches that I cut. Yeah. Oh, there's a moon. Oh, that's not a moon. I thought it was a moon. Yeah. Yeah, just try going to spots that you like. which you think are tricky or hard or difficult, don't worry about breaking props. They're cheap. Like a set of four is like $3, right? Don't worry about breaking motors. They're cheap too. Like like $15. But now, um, I've actually crashed a lot, but my motors are still good. It's because I built a, how do you call this, a cover which actually makes or protects the bell.
21.7 volts.
So there you go. One thing I would love with my radio setup is that I
21.7
I
volts.
don't have to look at the screen.
21.7 volts.
It'll just keep on yelling at me.
21.7 volts.
Then time to be for me to
21.7 volts.
time for me to go back. Yeah.
21.7 volts.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna get it. I hope it's still streaming. Yeah. Oops, the battery almost. There you go. 1 second, guys. So yeah, guys, that's the USB cable. Okay, I'm on channel 3. This is a 6 feet long USB cable. That's my trusty jumper T16. It's very old. Okay, I modified the handles so it can fit my bag. Now I don't have to worry about it. And then what else? Yeah, so yeah, let me, oh, I forgot, we need to turn it off because the setting for the broadcasting to work, it should be, auto power should be set to off. All right, perfect. Okay, done. All right. Nice. Cool, guys. So, am I still streaming? Let's see. Oh, nice. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Eric. Thanks for dropping by. Nice. Yeah, I just got back to my table. Yeah, I'm happy. I don't know yet if there's a lag. I'll be able to watch it later. Yeah, thank you, Eric. Hopefully I can visit Vegas soon again. Um, I'm gonna go out though in June again to visit my mom in the Philippines. In June 18. So most likely I'll be back around. Yes, yep. It's auto set power off. If it's on, you won't see any data coming in. So I had to set it to on. To off, sorry. Okay? So it should be in full power. Yep, thank you. Yeah. Like what I said, I'm gonna build a either the Debian image, which is Linux, and then it can fit on. This is an Odroid. What's this? Oh, this is my Odroid. This is really powerful. They don't carry it anymore. It is Odroid C2. Odroid C2. I don't know if you can still find it. I'm unable to run it though. Maybe some libraries have been updated, which makes this fail. So if I have a chance tonight, I'm gonna work on this again. So I'm gonna build a custom Debian Linux image, which will have my code, and then maybe write a web UI, which will which will let you fill out some fields, which, for example, like the field that is provided by YouTube for you to become online. Yeah, you'll see it when you go live. It's right there. There are fields there. Um, yeah, it's cool. Hopefully, guys, I'll be able to build some machine where I can bring it with me in a field, in an open field, and we can do some live streaming. All right, guys, my throat is actually how do you call this, itchy now. Thanks for coming.